Shri Radhika Kripa Kataksh Stotram Ki Jai. O Goddess, worshipped by the kings of sages. O Goddess, remove the sufferings of the three worlds. O Goddess, whose face is a blossoming lotus. O Goddess, who enjoy pastimes in the forest. O daughter of Rishabhanu, O companion of Vraja's prince, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess staying in a vine cottage by an ashoka tree, O goddess whose delicate feet are as splendid as red blossoms, O goddess whose hand grants fearlessness, O abode of the transcendental opulence, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who playfully shooting the arrows of your glances from the curved bows of your auspicious amorous eyebrows, have completely subdued Nand's son Krishna, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose form is as splendid as champak flowers, gold and lightning, O goddess whose face eclipses millions of autumn moons, O goddess whose eyes are wonderful, red, restless young chakora birds, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O young girl intoxicated with passion, O goddess decorated with cheerful jealous anger, O goddess who passionately love your beloved Krishna, O goddess learned in playful arts, O goddess expert at enjoying amorous pastimes in the kingdom of the fearlessly opulent forest groves of Vrindavan, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess decorated with a pearl necklace of bold amorous hints, O goddess as fair as gold, O goddess whose breasts are great golden water pots, O ocean of happiness, filled with the scented powders of gentle smiles, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose arms are lotus stalks dancing on the waves, O goddess whose dark eyes are dancing vines, O playful, beautiful, charming goddess, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who wear a golden necklace on the three-lined conch shell of your neck, O goddess splendid with three jasmine garlands and three jewel necklaces, O goddess whose moving locks of dark hair are decorated with bunches of flowers, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who wear a sash of flowers on your curved hips, O goddess charming with a sash of tinkling jeweled bells, O goddess whose beautiful thighs furnish the regal elephant's trunk, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose anklets tinkling is more beautiful than the sounds of many mantras and the cooling of many regal swans, O goddess whose graceful motions mock the moving golden vines, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess worshipped by Brahma, O goddess to whom countless millions of Vaishnavas bow down, O goddess who give blessings to Parvati, Shasi, and Saraswati, O goddess whose toenails are anointed with limitless opulences and mystic perfection, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O Queen of Vedic sacrifices, O Queen of pious activities, O Queen of material world, O Queen of demigods, O Queen of Vedic scholarship, O Queen of knowledge, O Queen of the goddesses of fortune, O Queen of patience, O Queen of Vrindavan, the forest of happiness, O Queen of Vraja, O Empress of Vraja, O Radhika, obeisances to you. Upon hearing this most astonishing prayer of mine being recited by a devotee, may Sri Vrishabhanu Nandini constantly make him the object of her most merciful sidelong glance. At that time, all his karmic reactions whether mature, fructifying, or lying in seed, will be completely destroyed. And then he will gain entrance into the assembly of Nanda Nandan's eternal loving associates. If a sadhak with purified intelligence recites this stava with a fixed mind on the lunar days known as the full moon day, the bright Ashtami, the Dashami, the Ekadashi, and the Trayodashi, then each and every one of his desires will be fulfilled one by one. And by the merciful sidelong glance of Sri Radha, he will obtain devotional service that has the special symptom of being imbued with pure ecstatic love of God, Prema. That sadhak who recites this stava 100 times while standing in the waters of Sri Radhakund, up to his thighs, navel, chest, or neck, will attain complete perfection in the five goals of human existence, namely dharma, arth, kama, moksha, and prem. He will also he also will attain the power by which everything he says will come true. He becomes very powerful and opulent due to attaining transcendental majesty, and he gets to meet Sri Radhika face to face, seeing her even with his present eyes. By such chanting of this prayer in Radha Kund, Sri Radhika becomes so pleased that she instantly bestows a great benediction on the devotee, which is that he sees her beloved Shyamasundar with his very own eyes. Then that Lord of Vrindavan grants the devotee entrance into his eternal pastimes. Genuine Vaishnavas hanker for nothing beyond this. This ends the Shri Radhikaya Kripakataksh Stotram found in the Urdhva Maya Tantra. मुनीन्द्रवृन्दवन्दिते त्रिलोकशोकहारिणि प्रसन्नवक्त्रपङ्कजे निकुञ्जभूविलासिनि व्रजेन्द्रभानुनन्दिनि व्रजेन शूनुसङ्गते कदा करिष्यसीह मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अशोकवृक्षवल्लरीवितानमन्दपस्थिते प्रवालवालपल्लव प्रभारुणाङ्घ्रिकोमले वराभयस्फुरात्करे प्रभूतसम्पदालये कदा करिष्यसीह मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनङ्गरङ्गमङ्गलप्रसङ्गभङ्गुरभ्रुवं सविभ्रमं सम्भ्रमं दृगन्तबाणपन्तनै निरन्तरं वशीकृता प्रतीतिनन्दनन्दने कदा करिष्यसीह मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् तदित्सुवर्णचम्पकप्रदीप्तगौरविग्रहे मुखप्रभापरास्तकोटिशारदेन्दुमण्डले विचित्रचित्रसञ्चरच्चकोरशावलोचने कदा करिष्यसीह मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् मदोन्मदातियौवने प्रमोदमानमण्डिते प्रियानुरागरञ्जिते कलाविलासपण्डिते अनन्यधन्यकुञ्जराजकामकेलिकोविदे कदा करिष्यसीह मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अशेषहावभावधीरहीरहारभूषिते प्रभूतशातकुम्भकुम्भकुम्भिकुम्भसूस्तनि प्रशास्तमन्दहस्य चूर्णपूर्णसौख्यसागरे कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् मृणालवालवल्लरी तरङ्गरङ्गदोर्दते लताग्रलास्य लोलनीललोचनावलोकने ललल्लुलन्मिलन्मनोज्ञमुग्धमोहनाश्रिते कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् सुवर्णमालिकाञ्चित्रे त्रिरेककम्बुकन्तगे त्रिसूत्रमङ्गले गुणत्रिरत्नदीप्तिदीधिति सलोलनीलकुन्तला प्रसूनकुच्चगुम्फिते कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् नितम्बबिम्बलम्बमानपुष्पमेखलागुने प्रशास्तरत्नकिङ्किणी कलापमध्यमञ्जुले करेन्द्रशृङ्गदण्डिकावरोह शोभगोरुके कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनेकमन्त्रनादमञ्जुनूपुररवस्खलत् समाजराजहंसवंशनिक्वनाति गौरवे विलोलहेमवल्लरी विदम्बि चारुचङ्क्रमे कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनन्तकोटिविष्णुलोकनम्रपद्मजार्चिते हिमाद्रिजापुलोमजा विरिञ्च जावरप्रदे अपार सिद्धिरिद्धिदिग्धसत्पदाङ्गुलीनके कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् मखेश्वरी क्रियेश्वरी स्वदेश्वरी सुरेश्वरी त्रिवेदभारतीश्वरी प्रमाणशासनेश्वरी रमेश्वरी क्षमेश्वरी प्रमोदकाननेश्वरी व्रजेश्वरी व्रजाधिपे श्रीराधिके नमोऽस्तु ते इति मानद्भुतं स्तवं निशम्य भानुनन्दिनी करोतु सन्ततं जनं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनं भवेत् तदैव सञ्चित त्रिरूपकर्मनाशनं भवेत् तदा व्रजेन्द्रसूनुमण्डलप्रवेशनम् राकायं च सीतातं यं दशं यं च विशोधधि एकादश्यां त्रयोदश्यां यपतेत साधकसुधि यं यं कामयते कामं तं तमाप्नोति साधक राधाकृपाकटाक्षेण भक्तिः स्यात् प्रेमलक्षणा उरुदग्नेनाभिदग्नेरिदग्ने कण्टकनके राधाकुण्डजले स्थिताय पतेत् साधकशतम् तस्य सर्वार्थसिद्धिस्यात् वाक्सामर्थ्यं तथा लभेत् ऐश्वर्यं च लभेत् साक्षात् दृशा पश्यति राधिकम् तेन सतत्क्षणादेव तुष्टादते महावरम् येन पश्यति नेत्रभ्यां तत्प्रियं श्यामसुन्दरम् नित्यलीलाप्रवेशं च ददाति श्रीव्रजाधिपा अतः परतरं प्रात्यं वैष्णवस्य न विद्यते इति श्रीमद्उद्रामन्नये श्रीराधिकाय कृपाकटाक्षस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्। श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण की जय, श्री राधिका कृपा कटाक्ष तव राज की जय, प्रभुपाद की जय, गुरु महाराज की जय।
Jai. Guru Nabandar ki jai. Such
प्रभुपाद की
amazing, amazing bhajan, and you do it so very well. Thank you so much. Very, very nice.